All right, friends, today I'm gonna do maybe a little mishmash of everything in one video, possibly. Maybe I'll separate it in two. But it's 47 degrees here. It's been a while since I've given you an update on my garden, or it is on my garden. Look at this. Look how my romaine lettuce has grown. I need to get in here and chop some up. Here we have, wowee, look at this. These are sugar beets. They're really close together, so I doubt the bulbs are gonna, I think these are sugar beets mixed with some, what do you call that, chard, maybe? And here we have carrots. These should have been thinned out. I don't think I'm going to get major big carrots. And then here's, so far, put this little funnel here. Let's go check out the rest of the place. Oh yeah, and these potatoes, these been here since the end of October. I'm wondering, what do you guys think? Should I dump them out and check them out? I mean, they don't look like they've died enough. But I am curious to see how things went. What do you think? Should I let them go for a few more months? I mean, they've been out here since, like I said, the end of October. No, maybe September. Got enough water here. Dirty, but it's for the garden. Oh, I couldn't find any oh yeah, that one works. I just need to get a couple more for these. Maybe we'll be getting some more rain soon. I don't know. But this is what I was able to catch. Oh wow, look at this. These definitely died. What do you think? Should I empty these out? Look at the potatoes have definitely died back. Should I definitely dump this out and dig for some potatoes? This one too. This potato bag died. Oh, let's see what we got down here. I don't know, I guess it's way deeper than I expect. Nothing interesting over there. Same old. This arugula really grew. Look at that. Pretty arugula. But I'm more curious about the potatoes now. Let's see. These didn't turn out, then I won't be doing potatoes in the wintertime. Mud. Oh boy. I even have anything? Should have brought my tripod out here. Ooh, some of them got, but I got worms. That's good, right? Look at the worms I got. Look at the worms. We could always use worms. Little baby potatoes. Tiny. A couple of them rotted. Got some little baby ones. I didn't even bring a bowl out here. I'll put them right here. Nice firm one. Little tiny one here. Like I said in my last harvest video when I did potatoes last year, they're like little small tiny ones. These potatoes were so fresh potatoes. They were so creamy when I cooked them. I couldn't get over it. I don't remember how many I put in each bag. Looks like I only got a couple. Let's see. But the good thing is, got some worms. We could always use some worms, right? Yeah, I guess it only yielded me a couple of potatoes, but that's okay. Would have been nice to get a nice bounty, but it's all trial and error, and it's all about learning, right? Just practicing. And ew, that's kind of gross. It's an old potato. Yeah, but it's about learning and practicing and learning from mistakes. All right, friends, so this bag here yielded these little small babies. Let's check out the next bag. Let's just do this one. Let me dump it out first. Okay, we got some old potatoes here. A little small baby potato. Yeah, maybe because the bag was too compact, I don't know. Or maybe because I started off with small little golden potatoes, but it sure is fun digging through it though. Oh, look at this. We got a couple little babies there. Oh, this one's mushed. It's gone. Little small one here, small one here. Worms or not, I like getting my hands dirty. So it didn't yield me. You can see the potatoes that I used. I think it's the weather. Maybe it's best to do potatoes in the springtime. But again, like I said, it's all trial and error. All right. I guess maybe I could dump out the other bag. See what I get. Still digging. Before I dump that other one out, here I found another one. Little small tiny things. Right, here's one more that I almost could have missed. I remember being a young girl and always loving to dig in dirt, making mud pies, getting dirty, climbing trees. That was my thing. Guess you could say I was a tomboy. I have 3 older brothers and I've always been close to my dad. Never was really girly. Girly in the sense of being foo-foo. There's nothing wrong with it. But I always loved playing in the dirt. Alright, I guess maybe that should do it. Let me make room here so I can dump out the dirt. And I could reuse this dirt once I put some more minerals in it and start some seedlings. Maybe put this one out of its misery and dump it out. Okay. Let's get her going. Okay friends, I found one fall out really fast right here. See that one? Let's hope it's not mushy and it's solid. Oh wow, this is my biggest one yet. Look at that. Nice and firm. Okay. Not too shabby. Got a couple of little ones here. Yeah, I have to look back online because I think a lot of seed potatoes are sold out. So I was trying to see if I could just buy some organic potatoes from the grocery store and try to regrow them. This seems like this bag did a little better than. So here's the old potato that it came from. Seems like this bag did a lot better than the other ones. These little tiny ones are so tiny, but they'll still be eaten. Okay. Let's just slowly mull it over this way. See what we find. This is the 3rd and final bag. Oh, here's one. Nice and firm. Well, looks like that is what we yielded. Looks like that's it for the potatoes. I'll have to look back at my previous potato video. I'll try to put it in a card up above if I remember, just to see how much I yielded in during springtime versus planting them in the fall. Yeah, I think this is it. Okay, friends, I think this is it for potatoes. I got a lot of dirt to reuse, so I'll have to go back to the store. Got a lot of dirt here to use. Whew. I am so out of shape. Okay, I'm gonna take these inside and give them a little cleaning. And I wasn't expecting to do this because I know one of my friends, YouTube friend Sonia, she says to keep a bucket out here of water to clean your veggies with. But I wasn't expecting to do my potatoes. All right, friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye. All right, let's go inside. Got them in my sweater.